Welcome students. In part 4 of the chapter number 2, we are going to study some what questions, means higher order thinking question. See the sum. In triangle PRQ, you will find that M is a midpoint and this is a right angle triangle. So now you will be confused. M is a midpoint, it means it is related to the Apollonius, and it is a right angle triangle, it means it is related to Pythagoras. Now which theorem we have to use? It's very simple. Let me tell you that in a triangle, if right angle triangle comes with a midpoint, then use first Pythagoras theorem. So I am going to ask a simple question to one by one. PQ. PQ is in right angle triangle PRQ. So you have to ask the question to everyone, in which right angle triangle you are. So it is in this triangle. So what you have to write it? In triangle PRQ, major angle PRQ equals to 90. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, opposite to 90 is called hypotenuse. PQ square equal to PR square plus QR square. Give the number 1. So I am happy because I get it here the PQ and even I got it PR. Now what I need? I need the PM. So I am going to ask the question to PM. In which right angle triangle you are? So he gives me the answer in triangle PRM. So in triangle PRM, major angle PRM equals to 90. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, it's PM square equal to PR square plus RM square. Now observe these two equations. What I need PQ, I need PR. I don't need this QR. Here I need PM, I need PR, I don't need RM. So how can I cancel this RM? It's very simple. This is the midpoint, therefore RM is half to QR. So instead of RM, but RM equals to half QR because it is given. So substitute the value. PM square equal to PR square plus half QR the whole square. So PR square plus 1 upon 4 QR square equals to PM square. Now how can I cancel this 4? By multiplying by 4 to this one. So I am writing multiplying by 4. I have written the shortcuts. Please remember, don't write the shortcuts. So you get it 4 PM square equal to 4 PR square. If you multiply by 4, 4 will be cancelled. You will get the QR square. Give the equation number 2. Now you will get it all things. But here again I don't need QR. So how can I cancel the QR? By subtracting equation 1 and 2. Subtracting equation 1 and 2, you will get it from right to right and left to left. PQ square minus 4PM square equals to PR square plus QR square, and you have to subtract this part. While subtracting, you have to change the sign. 4PR square minus QR square. So QR will be cancelled. Now we have to rearrange this one. So what I need only PQ. So PM will go on that side. This is minus, it will be converted into plus 4 PM square. Minus 4 PR square plus 1 PR square, you will get it 3 PR square. Okay students, let's start with the second sum. Observe this figure. In triangle PMN, in this one, the values are given. PM, MQ is given A, QR is given A, RN is given A, PR is given A, and PQ is given A. So now you will be confused. Sir, which theorem we have, which property we have to use? First, Pythagoras is there? Yes. This is Pythagoras, but it is PSR. The value of SR, PS is not given. So you cannot use the Pythagoras theorem directly. So which is the next one? Is a surrogate. Means similarity of right angle triangle and geometry. But I told you that if two or more than two 90 angles in a right angle triangle, then we have to use the surrogate. This is also not there. Then 30-60? No. 45-45? No. Then which theorem is remaining? This is Apollonius. But Apollonius needs a midpoint. Is that midpoint is there? Yes. So if you split the figure, you will get it. This is P, M, R and this is Q. See, the value of MQ is A and QR is also A. So here you will observe that MQ equals to QR equals to A. This is given. Therefore, we can say that Q is a midpoint of say MR. And if you get the midpoint by Apollonius theorem, what it says? It says that PM square plus PR square equal to 2PQ square plus 2MQ square. Now what you have to do? You have to substitute the value. PM value is not given, so it will be as it is. PR is given A square. 2 will be as it is. PQ is given A. Again 2 as it is. MQ's value is given A. So PM square plus A square equal to 2A square plus 2A square. So PM square, this A goes on that side. So 4A square minus A square. So you get the value of PM square equal to 3A square. By taking square root, you will get it PM equal to root of 3 is root 3 and A square root is A. So you will get the first one is PM equal to root 3A. Same you have to find out it for the PM. So in triangle PQN, this is PQ and N. Observe this, these two are the same value. In triangle PQN, QR equals to QRN equals to A. This is also given. So from this you will find that R is a midpoint of say QN, and therefore by midpoint theorem I have written the shortcuts. Plus please remember that don't write the shortcuts. So here we will get it PQ square plus PN square equals to 2PR square plus 2QR square. Now what you have to do? You have to substitute. PQ's value is given A square plus PN's value is given. No, it is not given. It is value is A. Then QR's value is also A. So we will get it PN square equal to 2A square plus 2A square, and this will come on this side, so we will get it minus. So PN square equal to 4A square minus A square. So here you will get it PN square equal to 3A square. By taking square root, you will get it PN equal to, its square root is root 3 and A square root is A. Use the number second. So from 1 and 2, you will get it PM equals to PN equals to root 3A. Hello students, let's start the sum number 3. Observe the figure in triangle BAC, this is 90 and L and M are the midpoints. Again there is a confusion, these are the midpoints and right angle triangle is there. So which theorem we have to use, Pythagoras or Apollonius? But I told you that if both the theorems come in the same triangle, then always use the Pythagoras first. So for that you have to ask the question to one by one. BN, in which right angle triangle you are? So he says that I am in triangle BAL. So first you have to write it in triangle BAL. major angle BAL equals to 90, and therefore by Pythagoras theorem, opposite to 90 is called a hypotenuse. So BL square equal to side 1 plus side 2 means BA square plus AL square. Give the number 1 to this one. Now you have to ask the question to CM. In which right angle triangle you are? He says that in CMA. This is C, this is M and A. So you have to write it in triangle CMA, major angle CAM equals to 90, and therefore by Pythagoras theorem, this is CM square equals to CA square plus AM square. Give the number second. Now what you have to do? You have to add these two equations. So I am adding 1 and 2. You will get BL square plus CM square. Left hand to left hand, right hand to right hand. Then BA square plus AL square plus CA square plus AM square. Give the number 3 to this equation. Now what do you need? You need the BC. So again you have to ask the question, in which right angle triangle you are? He says that in triangle BAC. So what you have to write it? In triangle BAC, major angle BAC equals to 90. Therefore by Pythagoras theorem, opposite to 90 is the hypotenuse. So BC square equal to side 1 plus side 2 square. So it is BA square plus AC square. So I have written the equation number 4. So what you need? You need BL square plus CM square equal to 5 BC square. So what you have to do? You have to rearrange this. I need BA, AC, BA and AC, but I don't need this one. So what you have to do? You have to cancel CA and AM. How can I cancel this one? CA and AM. It is very simple that you have to write it. The AL square is half. This is AL square. AL square is half to AC and AM square is half to AB. So I am going to write it here. But AL is half to AC and BAM is half to AB, because these are the midpoints. So you have to write the reason given. So in equation number 3, BL square plus CM square equal to BA square plus, instead of this one, this is AL. So you have to write it half AC the whole square plus CM is what? AC. So it will be as it is. And instead of AM, you have to write it half AB the whole square. So you will get it BA square plus 1 upon 4 AC square plus AC square plus 1 upon 4 AB square, BL square plus CM square. So you get this equation. So what do we have to do it? We have to cancel these 4. So what can we do? You have to multiply by 4 to both the sides. So you get it? Multiply by 4. 4 in bracket BL square plus CM square equals to, if you multiply by 4, you will get it 4AB BA square. If you multiply by 4, you will get it AC square as it is. Then it is 4AC square plus 4 will be cancelled, so you get it AB square. So 4 plus 1 will be 5 BA square plus 5 AC square. 4 in the bracket BL square plus CM square. So I am going to give the number equation number 5. So from equation number 4 and 5, from equation number 4 and 5, you will get it 4bl square plus cm square will be as it is. 5 will be common here. ba square and ac square value is bc square. So 4bl square plus cm square equal to 5 bc square. This is your answer.